What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty. I'm also a mother, so I do apologize for my children in advance. There's more in there here. It's kind of pretty late at night right now, but I felt the best that I felt in probably 2 weeks, so I wanted to film something, and I finally did something that I really am enjoying right now. So yeah, so these are the vibes. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. I post all of my complete looks over there, and if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I am going to start as always by priming my eyelid with my P. Louise base in the shade number 2. So my palette of choice today is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, which looks like this. And I'm going to start by taking this shade right here, which is called Therapy Sesh. And I feel like this shade's really unique because it's like, it's for sure purple, but it has like pink, like, I don't know, it just looks pink too. It's beautiful color. So I'm just gonna take this color and really pack it down in my crease. It looks like super purple on camera, I feel, but it's actually like pinky. I don't know. It's a very unique color. I really wanted to use the purples in this palette, because like I gravitate towards like the reds and like the like pinky tones. So this is going to be the lightest shade that I use. So I'm really just going to diffuse this out as far as I want it to be. So then when I kind of have that like more built up, I'm going to take just a fluffier brush and just smooth out the edges, because I want everything to blend really nicely. Then I'm going to take this dark purple shade right here called Not My Journey. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to pack this color down right on my crease again. Having a little bit of technical difficulties with my SD card, but that's alright. I'm just blending those two colors together until I am satisfied with the blend. Okay, so I am now going to cut my crease. Alright, so I just cleaned that up with some Vaseline, and I'm going to go ahead and lay my P. Louise base back down. So now that that is nice and laid down, I'm going to blend the edges with my finger. I just find that the easiest. And then I go back in with Therapy Sesh, which is the lighter purple. And I'm just going to kind of apply that right at the edge. I feel like it looks really harsh on camera, but it's actually pink. It's not like all purple, which is crazy. Then I'll go back in with Not My Journey, which is the darker purple. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the black called Temptress. And I'm just going to apply this in the outer portion to really deepen everything up. Like so you can really see it deepened up that crease a lot. And then I'm going to take the yellow called No Joke, and I'm just going to pack this down all over this lid. And this yellow's so pretty. One of the prettiest yellows in my collection, if I'm being honest. I just quickly just laid this down. And in my head when I was doing this look, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do like her campaign photo. And then I was looking at the campaign photo and I was like, oh, she did orange. So here we are. So then I'm gonna go back in with Therapy Sesh, which is the lighter purple-ish pinky color we used. And I'm just going to blend that right into that yellow. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my Glitter Addict glitter, and this one is in Soul. And it's just like a really pretty, like, silvery kind of color. So I'm just going to take some lash glue, and I'm going to follow this line. And then I'm just going to take my spoolie and clean up that glitter. So then I'm going to take some of my Pretty Vulgar gel liner. For my gel liner, I've just been loving this little Jessup wing liner brush. It's like super angled. So I'm just going to take this and create a nice, not like a full-on wing, but just like, I don't know, I always dig just like the half wing vibe. Okay, and then once I got the wing liner to my satisfaction, I'm gonna actually take Temptress, the black, and just set it. I just always like to do that whenever I do like gel liner. And then I'll take just a little bit and really start to blend the liner into the look. So that is just about it for the top of the eyes. So I'm going to quickly do my face and then we can come back and finish the eyes. Okay, so I have my face done. So I'm going to finish my eyes up. So I'm going to take my Beauty Creation lashes, and these ones are in Go Off. Lashes are on. So now for the lower lash line, I'm going to do a little bit of black, which is called Temptress. I think I'm just going to do that on the outer part so that way they connect. Like so. And I'm going to take Not My Journey, which is the dark purple. Layer that right on top, but also bring it in more. And then I'll take Therapy Sash and really bring that in. I'm just going to take the same highlight I used on my face, which is the Essence of Earth highlight, and this one is in Drip Drip. And I'm just going to take this on my brow bone and inner corner. Alright, so here we have the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Again, I do apologize for the noise in the background, but yeah, so I really love how everything came out. I really hope that it's reading really true to life, as like, I don't know, it's just so beautiful. So I just really love how it all came out. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be plenty more where that came from, and without further ado, we're going to go ahead and roll the clip.